Hey, how's it going? Lonnie here at Playbook Mastery. I am doing a case study on Clickbank, my lead gen email list to Clickbank for profit. uh, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm doing this 90-day challenge just to our case study to see, can you be profitable? Can you make up to $300 per week? Only because I've seen other people do it, and so figure I give it a try. So how this system works is you get 100 leads drip fed per day. You can increase that by getting referrals, which would boost your leads per day to 200 per day. Also, another way that you can boost your leads is simply by adding more accounts. You can do what we call link chaining your accounts together, which I'll talk about in a second, that will help you increase the amount of leads per day. So I'm going to just cover a few things here. That's not one of them. Messed up there. Go back. Cover a few things here. So here's your drip feed. You only get to send out these leads 24 hours every day. And that's simply because they want to keep the spam and that kind of stuff to stay in compliance. Next, you get, like I said, you can earn up to $5 per month residual income per referral. And if you refer 100 people, 100 people. If you refer 5 people, you get in 1 week you get a $100 bonus. And so we'll continue on, and this breaks down the referrals. They have different tiers, and then they just talk a little bit more in here about the information on people making sales. So we'll go into, before that, we'll break down the email the email chain link. So this is how it works. Originally you get 100 leads per, and then it turns into 200, and that's broken down like you link chain 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5. The fifth one, you have to get referrals outside of you link chaining them yourself, and this creates the 200 in that last one. Let's go back. All right, so what I like to do, like I've sent out my email for the day already. What I like to do here is I like to create a engaging title, like, hey, basically this would be, hey Lonnie, would you like to unlock the secrets of digital? And that would spark a question like, what do you mean digital? And so from there, I try to also keep the email short, and you can read through this and it's explaining everything. Then I have my link to my Clickbank, and I also have a signature line where I will refer Clickbank as well. I will refer my lead gen in here. And I also use, to create my emails, I use ChatGPT. One of the things that I found that's worked really well, kind of going through some of my emails, is I created a small little prompt, and the prompt was, can you tell me who are the 5 greatest copywriters for marketing products, also using the problem, agitate, solution style of marketing? That's a really popular way of marketing. So and it's pretty much everywhere. You can see it, and if you start to pay attention, you'll see this style of marketing being used almost on the everyday, I would say an everyday basis. If you watch enough commercials or enough things, They state the problem, they agitate the problem, and then they give you the solution. So these are some of the top 5 people. And I'll pick one of these and I'll get chat to write me an email based on their style that would represent my email here. So anyway, that's my breakdown. Going into my products, so there has been an update which I'm not too happy about, because I was wondering why my sales weren't as high as I thought they should be. And come to find out, the vendor that I have been using for this particular test, which is Live Chat Jobs, they just dumped their commit. They just dumped the price of their product. So it was a $1 trial and then a $47 upgrade. That's been changed to now the initial product is $27, which dumps our commission, which dumps what I'm doing. So I'm a little discouraged at this point, almost to the point where I want to just call it quits on promoting this product. But something I've learned in the past, there's going to be a lot of people that in my opinion, they're going to see the same thing that's happening and they're going to jump ship. And if I was to jump ship, I would jump ship and go back to get paid for using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, which they have the $1 trial. But I gotta check what their initial pricing is. But it looks like they're starting to have a rebuild. I don't recall ever seeing this before, so so I'm kind of looking through these. They all seem to have some sort of rebuild. So how you know it's a rebuild? Because it says rebuild. Average commission earned per rebuild or reoccurring sales. So this has sparked me to wonder what's going on. So, but anyway, I'm gonna look at this a little bit longer. I'm gonna post a little bit longer, and then if I'm not getting the bump like I thought I should, I'm going to probably switch over to here. So I'm going to probably give it another 2 weeks of this. But whatever the case may be, you got to keep on working, keep on pushing. I also looked into Digistore 24. I haven't seen anything that really jumped off the scales for me, so I'm going to hold off on them. But I will say I also looked at Warrior Plus. This jerk denied me. Just joking. It happens. But I'm looking into some of the products over here. One thing that I really look at before I even consider a product, and whatever their price may be, price point that you'll make money on, is I look at the refund rate. If their refund rate, really, to be quite honest, I would say 6, 7, maybe 7. 7 is my max when it comes to referral rate. I like to keep that pretty low because I know that the people are keeping the products and I'm gonna get paid, which that's important. So anyway, I'm always looking at that when I do look into these products. If they say 0, they're probably not getting any sales anyway. So that being said, that's what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into how did I do this week. So I took a few days off of making videos, but I still posted every day. So that still happened. So last time I made a video, I want to say it was Friday. So I made sales on Saturday. Nothing came in Sunday, Monday, and today is Tuesday. So I don't know. There could be sales later on today because that's usually, I've seen it happen a lot. So I'll look into that. But right now, no sales, and this is still a little bit low. I'm a little surprised. I was thinking I should be a lot better off. So with that being said, that's the end of the video today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.